You keep stalling on that new business. You still haven't sent in that job application. And you found a million reasons to avoid publishing that video. Whatever it is, you know you have to take action. You know how to take action, but you just don't because you're afraid to fail. And I get it. I've been there. But here's the thing. Failing over and over taught me how to reframe my thinking. I got to a place where failure doesn't limit me anymore. It fuels me. Let's be honest. Fear of failure is holding you back. But here's the truth. You're not really afraid to fail. You're afraid of people seeing you fail. But guess what? Most people are too focused on their own lives to judge yours. The key is to stop being your own harshest critic and start being your biggest cheerleader. Celebrate others' efforts, and you'll find the courage to put your own work out there too. Failure isn't something to avoid. It's a muscle you build through practice. The more you fail, the better you get at it, and the faster you learn. Winners lose more than losers ever will. Walt Disney, Henry Ford, and countless others went bankrupt before they ever found success. It's the process that teaches you resilience. So stop worrying about perfection. Start betting on yourself. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Don't visualize disaster, visualize success. The same imagination that creates your worst-case scenario can create your best-case scenario. Instead of asking, "What if I fail?" ask yourself, "What if I succeed?" The badge of success has a name on it. Why not yours?